Hi, I'm Greg Brown.
I'm David Ivy, and this is Dynamic Discussions.
This is another installment in a weekly video series we're bringing you about fall protection, the equipment, and how to use it. This week we have Bethany Hessen with our marketing department, and she's got the question.
The question for this week is, what are the advantages to mobile fall protection?
Cool. Great question. Where we should start is as having a base knowledge of what mobile fall protection is and what it means. It is very broad, used across the industry. And the way that I best see mobile fall protection is something that is not permanently affixed to anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be extremely mobile or an agile piece of equipment, but it is not permanently fixed to anything.
Yeah, so there's many different types. You have road-towable fall protection. So basically, it's a mobile trailer. You can move an anchor point up in the air. Malta offers the X-Series mobile grabber. You also have roof carts. Mobile fall protection or fall restraint would be guardrail systems. It's actually pretty mobile.
Yeah. There are, I would say, no less than a dozen to 20 products that are mobile fall protection. There are some, especially in yards where you're unloading off semi-trucks. Some of them you drive the truck over, use the vehicle as a counterweight. Also mobile bases that are weighted that you can move around with a forklift or a hand truck or something like that. And there are several companies across the United States and I'm sure all over the world that make really, really fine products. But one of the big advantages for mobile fall protection is the fact that it's pre-tested and pre-certified before you bring it on your site. And David, you can go into a little bit about what you'd have to do if you're permanently affixing this to something on your site.
So if you're permanently affixing this to something on your site, you generally have to consult like a professional engineer. You get it stamped off on. You're doing design loads and actually engineering your anchor point to your structure. By using mobile fall protection, you get to kind of circumvent all that because the manufacturer does all this testing. So the end user does not actually have to do that.
And if you find a piece of mobile fall protection equipment that fits your needs, your timeline to getting that thing active is usually much quicker. And also, you have a host of different testing documents that are available to you. I know for certain that when somebody gets our X-Series mobile grabber, it is independently tested, third-party dropped in a virtual world and the real world. And so that's a very nice feature, and most places that offer the mobile fall protection have all that stuff available. It really is an off-the-shelf solution, and so I think that's the biggest advantage if it fits your situation.